What's going on, everybody? It's Doyle here from Premier RV, where we give customers what they want and deserve. Got some exciting news out of Brinkley RV out of Indiana. We got two new Model Z floor plans. The 3110, which is a bunkhouse, Brinkley's first bunkhouse, and the 3400, which is a rear den. So going over the 3110 first, here's how it looks. Typical bunkhouse right in the back. But this one, it looks like it's got a door, so it's actually more private than a typical bunkhouse. But for the most part, the kitchen area looks like a typical Model Z. And then we get into the bedroom, and it's got more of that 2900 style bedroom-bathroom, more than the 3100. And you can see it's got a standard run MSRP of $106,000. Moving on to the next one, the 3400 rear deck. This one looks incredible. Some of the features, it says sliding desk / dining table with extending leaves. They actually have this in the 3950 right now, and I think they're going to have it in some more editions. If you can see some video right here, it's pretty versatile and lets you do a lot of different things, which is awesome. Some other features it lists: 84-inch pantry with adjustable shelves and appliance outlet. And for the outdoor kitchen and patio, it's got cabinet storage, work surface, and a bar sink. It's got a large 4.5 cubic foot refrigerator, 50-inch smart TV, zero gravity rear patio with electric top latches, residential style wire patio railing. That's what they have on the Model G right now. That thing is legit. It's very strong and sturdy. It's not like a typical cheap wiring that you see on some of these toy hauler rear deck things. And it's got an easy load rear cargo access door. We got a sneak peek picture, as you can see right here. You can see the TV. It looks incredible. This one comes in with a UVW just under 14,000. And it's about 39 feet long. That's what we got right now. Our 3110 is due in about mid to late January. We got no date on the 3400 and no MSRP yet. But as always, you'll see videos right when we get those in. If you want to check out our website and see what we got right now, premierrv.com. Or you can call the number on screen. And if you like this video, make sure you are subscribed if you want to see more like this. And make sure to leave a like and a comment. Let me know what you think of these. Thanks for watching, everybody. And as always, happy camping.